Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make condensed milk just like that of milkmaid, that what you get in market. So this condensed milk you'll be using to make cakes, pudding, pastries or any sweets that you like. So for that I have taken half a liter of milk, just half a liter of milk I have taken, full fat milk, that is Shubham milk, Nandini milk. So we will boil the milk first. So I'm adding it to a non-stick kadai. Taking non-stick kadai is very important here so that the milk will not stick to sides or the bottom. Just adding 3/4 cup of sugar. After you add sugar, continuously stir it, keeping it at medium flame. So you can even keep it at high flame, but be careful, it should not burn. So keeping it medium flame, keep stirring it like this until it reduces to more than half. So it is important that you scrape from the sides. As cream get collected to the sides, you'll have to scrape all the cream again to the milk like this, scraping and putting it back to the milk like this. You'll have to do. Now it is reduced. So after it reduces, this beautiful cream color, yellowish cream color is formed here. So I have not added any coloring agents here, just it is reduced to more than half now. See the consistency. At this consistency, when it reduces to more than half, you can add a pinch of baking soda. So baking soda will give that perfect consistency and texture to the condensed milk. Just stir it as soon as you add baking soda. So just keep stirring it for 2 to 3 minutes. So it starts frothing as soon as you add baking soda. Now you can reduce the flame and keep stirring it for again 2 to 3 minutes like this. Just scrape it from the sides and stir it. Yes, now the froth has reduced. Now you can switch off the flame, and at this consistency, see the consistency now. Yes, allow it to cool, and after you cool it, yes, it becomes perfect like this. Yes, our condensed milk is ready. Now you can use it for making anything of your choice. Try it at home and let me know how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, please hit like, do share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.